Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chachi, and for today's video we are doing my 2020 drugstore makeup favorite. So I created this makeup look using all drugstore makeup. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching, and don't forget we still have our giveaway going on my previous video, the one that I did upload yesterday. And that giveaway is like once we hit 500 subscribers, I will be giving away three $50 gift card. All you need to do to enter that giveaway is subscribe to my channel, hit the bell, and leave me a comment which favorite makeup of 2020 you love. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I'm gonna zoom you back in, zoom you in, as you can see how I created this makeup process. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. So for my drugstore eye primer, I always go in with the e.l.f. Putty Face Eye Primer. I love this one. I think this is a dupe for the MAC. I usually try to dig in my fingers right here, same as usual when I do my MAC. Painterly Paint Pod, cover all that portion of my lids. And for the drugstore makeup that I always go for, let's just say I just want to go like, you know, all drugstore, I will be using this new classic from e.l.f. I like this one. This is like $15, and you have all, like, you know, warm tones right here, and it's like really pigmented also. For the price point, it is really pigmented. So just I always go in and set my eye primer. I don't want to go in so tacky, like so sticky. And for my transition, I'm just gonna go in with this. Probably I'm not gonna go step by step in what I'm doing, because this is like, you know, using the product, like using drugstore product that I like 2020. So just going in with that crease right here with a windshield wiper motion. e.l.f. is one of the drugstore brand that has a lot of good products. So basically just a light transition that we're going to use. And I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, Darling. You always want to go like not too dark with the pigment and slowly build it up. That's how you're gonna get that radiant effect. If you go in so dark and so much product, you'll tend to have a lot of fallout. You'll tend to have patchy, and it's gonna be so hard to blend. So going in like a little bit of product at the time, then you'll get that radiant effect. And then I'll be going in with this Muse color right here. Basically, we have used 1, 2, 3, 4 this color. This is actually eyeshadow palette right here. It's set up that you can go by rail, like this, and that. Basically, that's how is this eyeshadow palette was made for. I like the color story of it because you can just follow like that, however you want it to go. So grabbing it in more like a flat brush, like here, not a flat brush, because like a flat brush is like kind of like this, but like, you know what I mean. Just defining the crease, because you know your girl has a hooded eye. And then we're gonna slowly blend that also. And with this black shade right here, Noir, I'm just gonna put it in like this outer of my eye. Just like slowly tap and pack that color. And what's ever left on my brush, just gonna blend it like halfway of my eye. And then we're gonna slowly like blend that also, just for us to have no harsh line. And as you can see, we barely even have fallouts on our face. This is one of the palettes that I barely have fallouts. See how easily that blended out? It looks like a really harsh line earlier, but just blend it all out and it will look so nice. Like taking your time blending and adding a little bit of product at a time, that will be your savior. So I'm gonna go in with this shimmer shade right here. It's called Cosmo. Look at that. Look how nice that shade is. So just using my finger, just tap it. Okay. Because personally, I think that using your finger on shimmer shades, that is how it best applies. So don't forget, we are still having that giveaway. I will be giving away 3 of $50 gift cards, and all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment in that video. I will link that video down below. And that was my video for my 2020 favorite luxury makeups. So I will be giving away, like what I said, $350 gift card once we do hit 500 subscribers, and that giveaway is open internationally. Leave me a comment down below, what is your favorite makeup product of 2020, and once we hit the 500 subscribers, then I will be drawing that giveaway. So don't forget, subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads, and see how pretty that is. Booyah! So the only fallout that we did have is like right here on the shimmer shade, probably because my finger is like too big for that corner. Like, look at how pretty is that makeup right there, that eye look right there. It's like so simple and easy to achieve with a $15 eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. So I did kind of zoom you out a little bit further so we can see the face. And for the face primer, I always love this e.l.f. matte putty primer. This is like really nice, canceling all that pores in your face. I just like really, like, you know, push the product, and I apply it like right here. I don't have the Tatcha one because that one is super expensive, but a lot of people said that this one is a dupe for that Tatcha. So this one, I like to go in like right here on my face where I have a lot of enlarged pores. And then for all over face, I like to go in with my Wet n Wild face primer. I think this is my second or third tube of this one. So this one, I go in all over my face because your girl right here has a very oily face. So you kind of like wait for this one to like really settle, like dries in your skin, and I'll do their magic. So for the foundation, has been my, like, ever since I got this one, I like using this foundation. This is one of my top 5 foundation. This foundation for me at first is like, what the hell? You know, but as it sinks in your skin, given a couple of minutes, it's actually really nice. This kind of, for me, in my opinion, by the time I applied it, I don't like the finish. But as time it sinks into my face, by the time like I'm done after I set my face, then it will look really, really nice, and it lasts all day. And also the beauty blender, the beauty sponge that I have been using, because you know the real beauty blender, that would cost you like $20 right from the get-go. And this one, I have been loving it. I've been using this for years. And this is the beauty sponge by Makeup Shack. It's basically exact the same as the beauty blender, and it's really, really soft as well. And I just stamp it in. You do also, if you want like a fuller coverage, just lightly bounce it. Don't go hard, like not like that, because you get more fuller coverage if you just lightly bounce your blender. So as you guys know, I am a Filipina that lives here in Las Vegas, and I have noticed on YouTube that they start doing their subtitle thingy. Let me know. I am thinking like doing a video using the Tagalog language, which is my first language. I figure like, since YouTube is doing the subtitles, like, you know, people that does not speak the language can read that as well. So let me know in the comments down below if that is something that you wanted to see, because I will be happy to do that. Leave me any suggestions of what makeup look that you want me to try, and I will be happy to try to create it for you. Because like what I said before, I am not a makeup artist. I'm just like a housewife, work as a cocktail server here in Las Vegas, Nevada, that loves doing makeup. I think it will be so cool, you know, doing my video in all of Tagalog, because I've been here for like what, 13 years? And for the concealer that for a very, very long time I've been loving is the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And this is in the shade 340. I forgot to tell you guys my shade on the foundation. 475. This L'Oreal Infallible is like a dupe for the Tarte Shape Tape, which that one I don't have. A lot of people here in YouTube said that's the dupe. I don't know, because I don't have the Tarte Shake Tape. And again, bouncing it. I could just go in with my 2020 Drugstore favorite and show it, like, you know, show the product. But I did want to show it to you guys how those products work. So you guys can actually see it. Like I can do like, oh, this is my favorite primer. Or this is my favorite thing. But I wanted you guys to see how it actually works and why I do love those products that I chose. And I will be also trying, I know I tried to do this on the Vlogmas, but it did not work out because of my surgery. Like, I'm going to try to upload video 5 days a week. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to try to upload video 5 days a week, Mondays to Friday. If I miss something, forgive me, but that is my goal right now. And just to set our concealer, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Powder, and this is in the shade light medium. Just like stamping it. And to set my face, like all over my face, I always use this Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the shade 15 Light. I always just take my beauty blender, my sponge, and just like tap it and push the product right there. Set the perimeter of our face. And what I like to use underneath the eye when I go big, I always use the Coty Airspun loose powder. This powder I have been using for a very long time, but it has that strong smell. But if you're not, you know, if you're okay with scents, then this should be fine. Because this will have your like under eye makeup, under eye right here, locked and loaded. And this one has been out for a very long time, but I just recently purchased. I purchased this based on Tati Westbrook recommendation. This is the Physician Formula Butter Bronzer. It's my second one because the first one that I got was not my shade. So just lightly tapping my brush, tap the excess, and I focus right here. Then going down. And then I go up on my forehead. And I'm gonna get like a more bigger brush and try to blend this out because you look grassy. And then again with the Coty Airspun, I'm gonna clean up this edges right here. And then going back with our eyes, our under eye, and I'll be going in with Muse, just putting it in the close of the lash line. Not lash line, like our waterline. And I'm gonna go in with Truffle just to blend this all out. So it won't have that harsh line right there. And make sure your upper and the lower is connected. And going in with the, which one I'm going to use? I'm going to go in with Glamour. And that's the shade that I'm going to use to highlight my brow bone. And also our inner corner. So for the first time in my channel, I'm going to be like fixing my eyebrows on camera. So I'm going in with this Ardell Brow Defining Kit. I don't use the brush that goes in it. So this shade right here is a really nice brow bone highlight too. I should have used that one to show you guys. Just to give that like a little fix. Maybe we should try that highlight in there. There you go, just a little bit enough. And for my waterline, I'm gonna be using, if you have been watching my video, you have seen me use this a couple of times. This is the Palladio Whiteout Liner. Just doing it in our waterline. So that white liner basically just like brighten up our under eye. And for the mascara, this one, I don't remember how many tubes I have purchased with this mascara. This one is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Base. And this one is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. So I have been loving this one. This has been one of my holy grail. So at first, I will go in with the lash primer. Like really coats my lashes, and that lash primer will really help because your girl right here does not have a good thick lashes. And then I'm gonna go in, if I can open it, with the mascara. And for my bottom lash, I like to go in with the Voluminous, L'Oreal Voluminous mascara because this one has a smaller one. For the blush, I love this Milani Luminoso. This is an exact dupe for the NARS Orgasm. It's like they're the same. The difference is the price, like I said in my other video. Just like in my cheeks. And I like to go in with a lot of blush because the blush is the first that goes on your makeup. Like the NARS Orgasm, this has like a little shine into your face. And for my highlight, I love using this Wet n Wild highlight powder in the shade Bloom Light, because you are gonna shine all the way to moon and back. Do you see that? In just like one tap right there. For my lips, I always like the formula of the Color Pop. I always go in for the matte. Sometimes I would wear lip gloss. I would go matte or satin. Like for me, I always like that bold mauve red tone on lipstick. But ever since the mask, you know, that we have to wear the mask, I always try to go for the neutral, just in case it's all smeared on my face. It's easier to fix. So for my setting powder, setting spray, I like to go in with the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist set. So as you notice, I always tend to go for the mattifying because my face is oily. So shake it over. Go. We're just gonna wait for this to dry and I'll be right back. Here you go, guys. This is our finished look for today. And like what I always say in my video, you don't need to spend a lot of money just to create a really nice glam look. All you need to do is go to your CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, and they have a lot of pretty nice makeup products that, you know, it's not gonna break your back. So, and also don't forget, we also still have the giveaway on my other video. I will link it in the description down below, or like somewhere in this up right here. So that giveaway was on my favorite luxury makeup. So all you need to do to join that giveaway is subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and you can get notified on all of my future upload, and leave me a comment on what is your favorite makeup product of 2020. Not on this video, but on the other video, because I will be drawing on that comments right there. I will be picking on the comments right there. So here you go. I hope you like this makeup look, and thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future upload, and don't forget to join that giveaway. Thank you. Bye.